Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open the Onx app and sign in so your maps, tracks, and purchases sync. First, grant location and storage permissions. Without them, you won't record or save waypoints. Once done, choose a default map region and enable high-accuracy GPS. Make sure to accept push notifications for updates and offline map downloads. Now tap the map to center your location and confirm your account shows the correct subscription. This gets you ready for navigation and recording. You'll now build the view you need by picking base maps and toggling layers so the terrain and land access data align with your plan. Tap layers, enable or disable things like private land, roads, and contours, and adjust opacity so labels remain readable. Once layered, search for points or long press the map to drop waypoints. Then use the measure tool to create routes and calculate distance. Make sure to name and save tracks as you create them to avoid losing your work. You finish by saving everything. Tap Save on Tracks, confirm waypoint names, and export GPX if you need to share. Next, download offline maps for the trip and check storage space so downloads complete. If you plan repeated use, set automatic updates for offline packs. If something goes wrong, like lost GPS, first toggle device location, restart the app, and calibrate the compass in settings. If that doesn't fix it, log out and back in or reinstall. That usually restores full functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.